name is Allie, and today we're talking about how to master making friends and social anxiety. Trust me, I have the most social anxiety, but I know how to block it out and make friends. I've moved multiple times and every time it's so hard, but I have these tips and tricks that I use to make friends and it works every single time. So let's get into it. So you clicked on this video because you feel like you have so much social anxiety. Maybe you're in a new place, you haven't really figured out how to make friends. Even making friends as an adult is so hard because people have their own lives. They're not worried about making other friends. But here are some things that really helped me. Number one is to join a hobby. So figure out what you like to do and join that hobby. There is an app called Meetup or even Facebook that have plenty of groups around your area. So type in whatever you like to do and I promise you a group of people will probably like doing the same thing and you can just join that group. Number two, so when you actually get to that place, think in your mind some questions, like before you even get to that place. Maybe you're driving, like think of questions that you want to ask people when you get there. So you're not just coming up with stuff on the spot. Some questions that I like to ask is, how long have you been in this group? What brought you to start this activity? Do you guys do anything else outside of said activity? Do you go to school? What do you do for work? Are you married? Are you in a relationship? Now, depending on just chat GPT some questions, think them over before you get there, and that will definitely help you remember instead of, fumbling and stumbling over your words. And it does help that you're already like in the activity that you like to do, whether that's like bowling. I am in a pickleball group. You already know how to do that thing. That's the easy part, is like getting that habit or that hobby down, and then it's just meeting the people. That's the hard part. So the hard part is already over, where you know how to do the activity. Like I know how to play pickleball. I know how to play board games, go to the bar, drink, whatever. That's the hard part. The easy part is just meeting people who like to do the same thing that you do. Number three is to introduce yourself with a bold statement and make it a positive statement. Say, just shake their hand and be like, hey, I'm Allie, how's it going? Then comment about something like around the room. Say like, oh my gosh, there's a lot of people here tonight. Or, oh, it's really dark in here, I can barely see anybody. But try not to come off as complaining, because no one likes a complainer. Maybe just mention something like the food's really good, or something positive about the experience. That will definitely like start the conversation going. If you're at the bar or you're at a party or something, keep a drink in your hand. It's so much easier to just take a drink. Actually, I have one right here. It's so much easier to just take a drink when you have an awkward pause rather than like doo, 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 doo. Or you can like look around the room. Like if you don't know what to say, just like, look around the room. It's okay to take a second. That's why I like taking a drink, because then it like breaks it up and you can think of something. Or excuse yourself to the bathroom. Honestly, that's my favorite. Number 5 has to do with making better friends. If you see this person regularly, if you've seen them more than twice, I would ask for their phone number and maybe be like, yo, do you want to go do this after this hobby? Ask for their phone number and be like, yo, do you want to go do this? Do you want to go to the bar afterwards? Or we could go chill at my house. Like maybe invite them to a different activity, take it somewhere else. It's always a good sign if someone wants to go somewhere with you. Or plan for a different date. Say, hey, I'm free this time. Like if you want to go get drinks, whatever. Or you can do a group activity, like invite everybody. Number 6, so this is the topic of conversation. Watch or look for a lot of like relevant topics that your age group would talk about. So like movies that you've recently seen, or series that you've recently seen, or even music, like Justin Bieber's new album, like to and watch stuff that most people are watching. So then you have something to talk about. Like if you're not talking about the activity going on, you can then bring up something else and you will have seen it. So it's easier to talk about it. Like, I haven't seen that, 7, which is our last point, is try to make yourself the center of attention. This is exposure therapy and it will get easier and easier once you do it. I like to challenge myself and I'll like make a joke or like try to make everybody laugh, but I'm essentially making myself the center of attention, and the nervousness goes away because you've already gone through it and people start coming up to you. Like if you are the center of attention, if you really get past your comfort zone, then you will have the most fun. So I don't want to promote this, but drinking alcohol does help anxiety. And my boyfriend has a lot of social anxiety, so when he starts drinking, he feels better. I personally, maybe one drink and it like kind of takes the edge off. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. I have a second channel. I'll link it down below, where I just do vlogs. I do church views, trying something new, basically just day in my life. So go subscribe to that, and bye.